Hello, people of the internet. I'm gonna draw something. I'm drawing a Teletubby. I don't know why, but I am. Devil ears. Gigantic bubbles on their head. They don't sleep, so they have sags under their eyes. Gigantic fat bodies with a square on it to show their imprisoned pet children they keep in captive for the rest of their life. Razor sharp fingers for murdering.
What?
Seems about right.
Make it more interesting.
Now the feet. Stubby little legs that are just completely fat. And one more detail. Their nose. Okay, I think I've completed my Teletubby. Looks legit.
Legit.
Wait, this is Poe. Pooh. It's done.